everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate, and I am coming on today with a video. Yes, I received the box today, a very humongous box. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's big. This is an actual winnings from the Diva. This is Lynn Rogers, and I entered her giveaway. She was having a giveaway for her 100 plus subscribers, and all you had to do was leave a comment, and she did a random picker, and yay, I won. Yay, I'm so excited. She had so many items that she put in this box. Let's see. She has awesome project shares. She is a very talented crafter. Oh my gosh, I was looking through her videos the other day, and I might not comment as much as I would like to sometimes, but her creations are just amazing. They're beautiful. So I'm trying to open this box. I'm not going to show you the shipping label because it has mine and her address on there. So she made sure she packaged it good. And let's see if I can open this. I might move you guys a little bit. So let me see. I'm not good with scissors here. Oh my goodness. There you go. Ooh, maybe not. Hopefully you guys can't see any other stuff up there. This is a very humongous box. This is so generous of her. I mean, this is a lot for your first 100 subscribers. And here's a note. And I will read that right now. This is so cute. I love that. Thank you for being a subby and watching my channel. Hope this is beginning of a beautiful crafty friendship. Of course, Lynn. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And see what happens if you don't give up. Yes. So let's go ahead and see. She did put a lot of these bubble things in here. So let me pull those out. There's a few of them in here. And I could use those for repackaging. And wow. So, oh wow. Ooh. So, look at these. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. I have not seen these at all. And I think these are like the fine pens for the fine pens for these. I don't know what they're called. I have a few books of these, and I haven't colored them because I'm always afraid to mess them up. And yes, you know, these bows, I did not see them at my Tuesday morning. I don't think they ever came in. So I'm excited for that. Yes. And some bling. Yes. This is more like a rose gold bling. I don't know if you could see it. It looks like brown orangey there, but it's a rose gold. And then she gifted me some of this right here. Awesome. You can never have enough. Some red tape. Always needing that. Yes, of course. And these. Oh my goodness. I saw these at Tuesday morning and I did not pick any up. And oh my gosh. I took pictures of them because this is on my to-do list of how to make these. So yes. Awesome. Now I have my own sample here. Some bling paper clips and more paper clips. Like I said, I never grabbed these at Tuesday morning, so I'm so excited. And some cute ribbon I don't know if you guys could see. This is really, really cute. And for this, the pink one and the purple one, you could use it year round. And this one right here, you could use it for Easter, save it for Easter, or you could also use it for any other project. More pens, yes. Go get her like a boss. This is awesome. This is cute. And it opens up like that. So take out the pens and guess what you do? Recycle. I forgot to show you this. These are thank you cards, and these are awesome. These are always in handy. Yes, yes. I always sometimes, even though I make mine, I always forget to put some in there. And some ribbon. Yes. You could use this on an, oh, it's yeah, it's ribbon. It's nice. It's like a, it's wired ribbon, and it's like a, oh, I can't even say the word. And she, oh, I think she did this herself. I've never seen this right here. I think I've seen Erica on one of her YouTube videos. I'm wondering if Lynn got the dye from AliExpress. And some more pencils, colored pencils. Yes, I actually have a set of this, and I am going to be gifting the one I have to one of somebody I have in mind. And this one, this is so cute. Let me move these out of the way. These are, never seen these. What are they called? Smudging crayons. Oh, interesting. I've never done smudging, coloring, or anything. So this is going to be interesting. I can't wait to try it out. I'm so nervous about that. And this. Oh my goodness. I have been eyeing this die, for this die right here, for the longest time. I love this, but I've never managed to get it. So I'm so super duper excited. Wow. I can't wait to, let me go ahead. I can actually open this. I was going to say, I can't wait to go through it, but I can actually go through it right now, through that magazine. So it has this, these are so cute. I am so excited. I can't wait to play with this die set. And these stamps are so adorable. Look at, and I think this is an embossing folder right here. So I can't wait to work with it. And it has these sheets right here, craft papers in here. Let me see if I could open that up and show you guys. Yep, and there you go. Oh my gosh, that swan is so beautiful. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Lynn, I'm so excited, happy, overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, and it just gives you ideas here on this magazine, the card making and craft paper, on how to use the stamp and dies. And wow, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never had one of these magazines. I've actually, my hubby actually, one time he went to the bookstore and asked me if I wanted any, and I said no, but I should have said yes. Maybe he would have gotten me a magazine like this every month, because he goes every month to the bookstore. It's not Barnes & Noble, it's another bookstore. So this is awesome. It gives so many crafty ideas. Yay. And I so need that inspiration and helpful tips. So look at this. Wow, I'm so excited. Yay. Sorry, I'm trying to do a quick flip through and see how it gives you ideas here and how to do. Wow, awesome. Anyways, go ahead and finish with that one. And then this is the last one. And look at this. Oh my goodness. This paper pad is just amazing. And yes, I've seen the Push Paper Lady use it. Yes, Lynn, you are right. She has used this paper pad. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you thank you, Lynn, for this amazing giveaway. You really outdid yourself, really. And if you guys have not checked out her channel, I will link it down on the description below so you guys could go into her channel and subscribe. She is just really, she is an amazing talented crafter. The creativeness that she has, it's amazing. Like, I can't, oh my gosh, she has an elegance to her crafting. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Then again, I can't thank you enough. I love everything, and we will see you guys on our next video. You guys have an awesome day, and again, thank you, Lynn. Can't say it enough. Thank you again.